Welcome to Finance It TV. In our latest video, we're diving into the Volkswagen emissions scandal of 2015. One of the most notorious cases of corporate deceit in recent memory. Join us as we uncover the rise and fall of Volkswagen, one of the world's largest automakers, and explore the critical lessons it holds for consumers, investors, and regulators. The rise of Volkswagen. Volkswagen was renowned for its engineering prowess and innovative automobile designs, positioning itself as a leader in the global automotive industry. The deception. Behind Volkswagen's facade of success lurked a scandal of monumental proportions. The company had installed illegal software, known as deceit devices, in millions of its diesel vehicles to cheat emissions tests and evade regulatory scrutiny. The unraveling. In September 2015, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, exposed Volkswagen's deceit, sending shockwaves through the automotive world and triggering a massive backlash from consumers, regulators, and investors. Consequences and fallout. Volkswagen faced severe repercussions for its actions, including billions of dollars in fines, lawsuits, and damage to its reputation. The scandal also led to the resignation of top executives and a significant drop in Volkswagen's market value. Lessons learned. The Volkswagen emissions scandal offers crucial lessons. 1. Ethical integrity. Companies must prioritize ethical behavior and transparency to maintain trust with consumers and stakeholders. 2. Regulatory compliance. Compliance with environmental regulations is essential for the long-term sustainability of businesses. 3. Consumer awareness. Consumers should be vigilant and demand accountability from companies regarding environmental practices and product claims. Conclusion. The Volkswagen emissions scandal serves as a stark reminder of the consequences of corporate misconduct and the importance of accountability in the automotive industry. By learning from the mistakes of Volkswagen, we can work towards a future of greater transparency, integrity, and sustainability. Share your thoughts on the Volkswagen scandal in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.